sana teke me kumam dele natamani sana meteke to wangi ditene no kumam television live natamani otieno beche ngatini mano belo fabi jo ameteke no program anyeli kumam television program me belo me gara wado lo program yo belo program lo be kum evening vibes amebe live kumam television buli chenga tena chen cha komesa bato me chen mo tiro pake sabato bonu yare. So talk about evening vibes program belo program me yamo ko biko werwa kelo lugamo dina makale ko werni abe mi doniang. So keep watching Kuma Television. Kedwange will sawa subscribe follow wa YouTube, follow wa channels kadiri toro udie. So na mani sana amza kwa udile kwa neno sana. Amede ne na mani sana Kuma Television. This is Kuma Television and this is Evening Vibes. Introducing Isabijo ikomi atin pacho atin kumam amekelo ngide na nzonge ko music ngide na makala ke music. So anyway, yami ko music me kumam belo kimora me pile texana doko da texana. Kumam amara sana kebe music me kumam jor kede kai tuli na mani sana. Bala Kuma Television wana bele jo amete ne bala be okia ro Kuma music dele amo we ko chen kini dele amo pulo ka ki puni ye engi ame Kuma Television lo bedino to ka je ke fabi jo wale wano tie ke do ka te gida ga je ka ne Kuma Television lo mere ni agbe idene tie ka ro bore so jate ne na tamani esani kwe belo ko ne usana jate ne no na tamani esani we ko yamdo be ko bi ko mwera mo lo be erugo ame ya ibu Kevin Zaki wera ame tie bungo wi yamo ka dede kebu naka TV stations achana bala Kuma Television kile naka DJs datie maro tiene weri kene ndanyobe Kevin Zaki anyway erubobo anyway enwe no ngolo be erubobo eya gutam atinwa Kevin Zaki okore sana Kevin Zaki meme wawera meme wa doko ne watam doko ne watunya moral mese odi ko doko ne be okay tu meno tu amu ko wabe sata ko dok tuai anyway erubobo
Lobokan anyway no ya majo ikiaro timoti Inwek Jogo Yamba Lobokan, Iniwinyo Yamajo Liki Yaro Timotiji My friend, Inwek Jogo Yamba Magodu Juwinyo Yaro Gala Oh, Erubu Mr. Boda Yeah, Erubu Amenuele Suka Oh, Erubu Suka iya erubo ibuta ichamonyo ichamonyo ibeda iwilonyo my bro center and a boss inside take bala commando bien teacher take me commando yaro gala baso yaro weki yaro gala nakodo yaro weki yaro gala Udo wano kuno Yaro gala Oh, erubu Mr. Boda Yeah, erubu Amenuele Suka Oh, erubu Amenuele Suka Yeah, erubu Ya don't in me turn any distress Lika give me turn no success Woy, but no space. Weki ya me mago do you nonsense. Johnny take don't mess up. Can we tell you better catch up? Hurry up, take too sharp. The mono set, wake up. For another day laser. God, you are made up. Sky. Dennis Production. Yaro gala. Oh, erubu. Boda.
Alright, I take care of Kuma Kweli sana neno we mana be wera no longo be rubo be yai wuna tinwa Kevin Zaki atin Kuma matin pajo. So na mani sana jole media watching. Making sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us live because this is your number one online TV program. Our mate yai Kuma mkani no me Kuma natin pa bijo. Kuma Television live because we coming. So anyway, mana be the rubo be yai with Kevin Zaki. Thank you so much for that kind of a song. Thank you so much for all that effort. Of course, sana below every ponyo. I take care of Kuma. You don't know you bully jengbe rubo bo. So gape texana is the message in the song. Apoyo sana amaro sana message yo. Inyo ruodiko abonga moral yo bedo gayo. Look at Ru, Digo get a moral. Don't merebe. Take your room moral. So Kevin Zaki get a room over the moral. They will say, I'm a Ru, Dico, Timothy, Bladana, Meporano, Matima, Diego, the Mora Bear. Bala, take a tour, a ligate to Yaro, Ulu Aranyo. Can I get Tim Peter and I got it? They are the Moricano. Kevin Zaki, congratulations. Anyway, Nyo kuma music do. Waitokere kaburba. Apo sana owere me kumam kede dwe me kumam mene no bala betale me kumam te lokere tetulo karamori yekido pore amaro kila me dwe me kumam kede mo kede were audios dio kede videos. I like the production itself. Anyway, kumam television ko itie kede apo sana jocho videos di kumam television kane ya na bala belo kede kare me tuko gidede yo ko godo ne ugidede yo kele ugida kede ko neno gidi ko wi ya mo kede gida kana tel. So ako bala fa video atiro nan sana entertainment they can't do Lugambo, talking about gossip, talking about celebrity gossip, talking about latest, talking about any kind of news. Anyway, the good bad boss and the television over to Goni and Bay. Nyoti American music at Kevin Zaki, Nyoti American music at Eddie Mike, Arabanga Mura Chicken again, I'm going to wear Mekumam. Arabo, neighbors are getting tests or Lango getting a party. This is your number one Eastern online television, Kumam television, and this is Fabijo. Your best about the music. If you want to know anything about music, just concern Kumam Television and follow Fabijo like on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and follow me on Insta if I told you what to feel like. But again, congratulations. Now, I think where more I work from our neighborhood. It comes from a very astonishing and very rough MC. Rocky MC. We're no longer Ragaring. When no Ragaring is a real ragamuffin dancehall thing on this. America make it what is one television. Nembali nikiring it do TV set ni, nikiring it simuni, nikiring it medem this guy ligede mbis omea. This is your number one online television, Kumam Television. America promoting music, Kumam and the all of Eastern region. We are the best, we are rocking, we're taking it all around East Africa, all around Eastern Uganda, and all around Africa. So when I made that, it's no longer the Ragaring with Yaiboot, Rocky MC. Give us Rocky MC's Ragaring.
Naimwana, Banabaya Bazanya, Atempulitani, Mubazawa, Nezendi Bubinyote Bangeza, Rock MC, Nanara, Ndimu, Ragaring, Kupanga Mataisan, Nanara, Ndimu, Muraka Dance, Kupanga Mataisan, Nanara, Ndimu, Muraka Ring, Kupanga Mataisan, Nanara, Ndimu, Muraka Ring, Kupanga Mataisan. Don't traffic bother me, because you can't trouble me. Remember that I'm your girlfriend's most handsome friend. And she called me king, and the thing, yeah, the real big deal. I got the skill, straight to the top, me coulda make them feel the zeal. Really? For real, I'm the toughest. I run the air, me coulda check it to the top. Now if you want to flick it back at the top, I me love the way you roll, cause dancehall me take control of everything. That's the reason why me can't deny this feeling now. Tell the DJ I to play it one more time, cause me got this real thing blazing over again. Over and over again. To say she want more when she can't get enough. Ragaring Kupanga Mataisan, Penanara, Demovi, Muraga Dance Kupanga Mataisan, Penanara, Demovi, Muraga Ring Kupanga Mataisan, Penanara, Demovi, Muraga Ring Kupanga Mataisan. Don't takula, don't tabula, don't sabula, when the dance formula. See me from afar, I in a banacular. Blow it out like a vuvuzela, straight from Venezuela, fully loaded in a trailer, and in a dance salad, the baking tailor. No matter what hot condition, be it weather, come rain or sunshine, rain stars arise, me coming with a brand of.
Alright, ring around the Rocky Ring that is coming from Rocky MC. I don't know, Jackie, I'm a band in that one bar. Can't make him up with it. Anyway, the man of good name as well, no one over the Megua, Jowa, over the Lango Karajas in our next city, with the leader city. Anyway, come on to the over the leader city, Kumam Television, check it, over the Karajan. Mark you, send your videos to Kumam Television, where people to go worldwide, because I told you Kumam Television, your number one online TV station, promoting your favorite kind of music. And then to all the promoters, don't forget, subscribe to follow Kumam Television live on YouTube. When you better get a car, man, and a balabe, you better get a wadi lico missing, you want to get a caratier. So, Bimano, Rock MC. Anyway, Rock MC, a person where I mean, you are nowhere, nobody will more I mean. It's a very good raga song, and I think of the Raga Ring. Raga Ring, we will get it. You can download it from anywhere, wherever you want it. You can download the audio, you can download the video, and that time I know child may video, make that you get it. That is our city leader. Yeah, anyway, going ahead with Kumam Television and the evening vibes program. The program Kumam Television, but representing for today is Fabi Joe, and once and for all, I'll be here with you live on Kumam Television, your #1 online TV station. I'm not killing the promotion of your local kind of music and all that international stuff. I made them with Garajel Gano. So Paramoro make sure you subscribe and follow Fabi Joe on Facebook, follow on Twitter and Insta. Anyway, when I head right about now, take away my guy part of Kumam Kane. I have something to tell you about this song. The Mother Dwong San and Duja Mulikom where it comes from Raga Banks, where the lower way is Sawan Mogo. I know Kanga and American Nobil and Nobody with a Chalamane, can you with a Chalamane? Well, this is Kumam Television, they can't get the damn mail level in again, so we'll have to win again, back. So, Kadi go with a mail and you go win. That was your chance. But again, don't forget to subscribe to Kumam Television, where you go with a Dot Kalamogano, and while you take it, the Bully Kare, Bulasawa. And this is your evening vibe. I make a bully chain. Like I said to me, I said, Idul, Mojeno, Baka said to me, you don't go one go to Kikana, you don't go to Kikana, go to the more. But still for now, I don't know where me. It's a very, very cool, nice, interesting song. I may have put Raga Banks, so long a bit. It's our Mogotier. I think I am on the bed at Dwong San, I don't mind Yamugo Mweni. Something very nice, something very interesting, something very little, and something very big, but very, very valuable. This is a very good song, a very, very nice, wonderful song. I'm going to put a team Kumama Raga Banks. I think it's a collabo anyway. Yeah, it's a collabo. So, Raga Banks, I completely want you to send me the video of this song on Kumam Television. Because, take the one okay here. Anyway, we little get up, Fabi Joe Tieka, and be promoting music ni. Fabi Joe Tieka, and the Bible Tuno Cabo, you go get it over there. Ask Kumam Television, this is our role, it's our work to promote Kumam music. We man and a TV station and make it online. You know what is online? So don't forget to be next to Kumam Television. Can't be aware, can't get more business. If you're not promoting business, you're not promoting music, you're taking the videos, and you're not even video more than you. Just come to television, Kumam Television, one have to give you at a very, very easy and cheaper price. So don't forget about that. Kumam Television bringing you Raga Banks right away here. This is Raga Banks, Yambe. It's our Mogo. It's our Mogo. It's our Mogo. It's our Mogo. It's our Mogo TA. Yeah, alright. Raga Banks.
Reggae time, full time. So original ladies that comes alongside Raga Banks combination. Yeah man, it's sour. Listen, it's sour. We love when it's okay, it's sour. Oh, it's sour and Mogotier. Oh, it's sour and Mogotier. It's sour and Mogotier. Sakamaye, yeah, sour and Mogotier. I take sour and Mogotier. 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 Sakamaye, yeah, sour and Mogotier. I take it. True that. I take it. I take it. Sour and Mogotier. Ame uyajikiri. Yadabo Mogotier. Ame unywarikiri. Sour and Mogotier. Ame uledikiri. Ledabo Mogotier. Ame ujarikiri. Sour and Mogotier. Ame ugedikiri. Ledabo Mogotier. Ame ugedikiri. Sour and Mogotier. Sakamaye. Yebe sour and Mogotier. Ame ubukiyo. Sour and Mogotier. Ame ujurikiri. Yadabo Mogotier. Ame rutiabiri. Sour and Mogotier. Ame rutikiri. Yadabo Mogotier. Ame duwe. Oh, sour and Mogotier. Ame ubukiyo. Ame ujaikiri. Oh, sour and Mogotier. Oh, sour and Mogotier. Sour and Mogotier. Sakamaye. Yebe sour and Mogotier. I take sour and Mogotier. 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 Sakamaye. Yebe sour and Mogotier. I take Merani Kimeri. Eru Papa Seko Pakina Nwele. Papa Mama. Ikare Marikisi. Ikare Maswanya. Edwe Kado. Domo Kelefone. Ole Kamarikisi. Epone Maswanya. Egiri Kwanyo Toni Kobedo Kegeti.
Konkede buguda Utana mana sawani Obeke danyera
Right. It's our modi. I think it's our modi. I'm waiting. Don't know how to lead. Look at the man I can't make. I will let you come at a mother or carrot with a venue. And I'm not enough to come on television. Or quite right, I made the other way. The kind of window. A daily venue. I'm waiting. Take that data on Kelly. Here's a matter. Like a bang. Can take an empty circumstance everywhere. Let me say. It's a very wonderful collabo. I mean, I believe we have come up at the part of home. You have to say, you tell my very mother. Amazing time, none of it. Just come with one television and I heard the bag of good. Anyway, you will pay for the crackle coat. Anyway, that's not the car. Okay. Ragaban is the first time when I'm doing one and get an empty circumstance. Long way to base. I want more. I think it's one more here. It's one more here. Make one television. You are long. Okay. It's one more here. Make one television. It's okay. We'll go in it. It's one more here. Make one television. Even in white, bullet hour, bullet piano. So we make it more again. Someone more here, I'm going to where you don't let him meet your leader. So, Mano, I think Ragabank, I take an empty circumstance. I am better to go where you go wearing. I'm not a family way. This is where I make one. This is where I made on. And again, I'm the name of child. I'm going to do a bit. Now, if I want to left to me, I will be someone over here. Look at my kind of child. Maybe I'm my own young, and then I'm going to young bit. So, I'm going to get what you call the video. I'm ready to go and this is a come to the Ragabank, many more video. Me with me, it's a regular PRPD. I want to go to the right one. Can they take a good way? And man, way to the good one. Especially the video. We are deeply in need of this particular video of this song because our fans and our audience are watching on Kumam television. We love it. Saudi Arabia. Every part of the world, we have very large coverage up from television, and we have very many members that are following and subscribing on our YouTube channel because this is your #1 online Kumam television. Ameti, the first ever in your land, and of course this is the evening vibe for the first time ever showing on your TV. This is Kumam television, and this is the evening vibe, and this is your Fabi Joe. So what about now? We're going to talk about a song that comes in from one of the best and the long time artists that have been ever here in the Kumam land. By the way, one of the artists of Mobile Kara, Dwang Sana, Levomekumamkane. I'm not I appreciate and I congratulate that. That is my boy, Zeddy Mike. Zeddy Mike has a very interesting song. I don't know whether you've ever heard about this song, but this song did very well across the country in some time back there. Anyway, this song is called Balance, and it's the Balance by Zeddy Mike. Balance, Zeddy Mike. Anyway, let's listen to the song.
Stand inside. Oh baby girl, stand inside. I can't deny. I love you, I can't deny. Cuánta chupa me boñueco. Meta vio cuño me boñueco. Baby balance. See the way you dance for me. Balance the dance. The way you wait for me. Balance the dance. The way you dance for me. Balance the dance, you balance the dance like this. Oh baby girl, you dance for me. Balance the dance. The way you wait for me. Balance the dance. The way you dance for me. Balance the dance, you balance the dance like this. Yeah, baby, no way. When you mean I'm about you, you go one day. You go dwell one day. Yeah, baby, no way. When you mean I'm about you, hey, you go one day. You go dwell one day. Hey, don't you know that you're the one I'm looking for? When you read an hour, I'm a bad man side, honey. Yeah, making my pressure rise up and down. Shaking your body, girl, won't be untouchable. Yeah, baby, dance for me, girl, you dance for me like this. Balance the dance, you balance the dance like this. See the way you dance for me. Balance the dance. The way you wait for me. Balance the dance. The way you dance for me. Balance the dance, you balance the dance like this. Oh baby girl, you dance for me. Balance the dance. The way you wait for me. Balance the dance. The way you dance for me. Balance the dance, you balance the dance like this. Yeah, inna the party, pay up. Inna the club, pay up. When you're happy, pay up. Shake your body, pay up. Dance for me.
doing go me out of water, you go water. Better with a lower balance. So okay, then video ni where you go, then the guy get. I know where you go, man, about Sarah. Balance by the mic, of course, the mic, and where I'm killing another man, yes, you come on television. Of course, I'm going to get to where I tell them, I'm going to get on the videos. You're going to make a cat here. Hello. Hello. When you go, man, about I am going to make a balance, DTA, kind of Caramori, out of Canada. The man of the come television, man, is evening 5. I met you, bully chain, check us out on Matthew, do Pakistan, Miare. We are throughout the country, we are throughout the world, because we are your number one online TV channel. Follow us or subscribe to our YouTube channel at Kumam Television. Make sure you click that blue button. Give us those more likes. Share us to everybody you can feel like. Share us across the world and anywhere you can go. Because we are live everywhere. Make sure you send a message to anyone. Just follow on YouTube. Follow on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, link up the Kumam Television, I'm going to go evening vibes, I'm making another man in Kumam Television, Chakome Bully Chain, and some of the message do, Maka to me a remote channel. You are taking the car name. Madam Fabi Joe, your number one and your favorite music analyst and your favorite presenter right about here. Together with you, talking about Kumam music on Joanne. I am on the base, Zeddy Michael, I better kill the car. Balance. Hey! Anyway, another man is that I'm very young, where more go make it in yen, where the most of the finest letters of this year. Actually, I'm very young Kumam music. And you're a particularly what is coming up here. What is next year? But this is Fabio. I told you this is Fabio, and I'm your best and the best about Kumam music. Instant music. If you're in Eastern Uganda or northern parts of Uganda or across the world, but want to know anything about Eastern Uganda music, just follow Kumam Television, follow Fabi Joe, and you will get the rest of the things. What about here? I want to give you a very, very olden song, a very, very long-term song. I think I'm going to make a mess up here, but no, it's very, very fine. When you love it, Amaro Kumam, Amaro Kumam. It's coming from a very, very, very talented, multi-talented young boy and a very, very young man here from the land of Kumam. It's called Samix. Mark you. Samix is a very, very talented guy. He's one of the best songwriters that you have ever had around, and he's one of the best vocal artists that you've ever had around. He's one of the best producers that we have ever had around in the Kumam land. So, for example, Samix, you know, promoting Kumam, you put a Talamano. You know, where I'm a Talamano. You know, Kedwana Talamano, Kedeme, Maro Kumam, Barakina, Maro Kumam.
James Samix again. Unbelievable. Amaro Kumam, Amaro Pachowa. Dance Kumam music, yeah. Dance Kumam music. Big up Olbo James, so Gigi. You my promoter. The best. We're moving higher. We moving higher. Amaro Kamaito. Pachowa and Pachowa, Amaro Kumam, Kumam, Obeda Bilana, Amaro Kamaito, Pachowa and Pachowa, Amaro Kumam, Kumam, Obeda Bilana. I love Kamaito, Eastern Uganda, I love Uganda, my motherland, my motherland. Oya unumalo wekuno gadoko wachen wan Kumam. Timan nyeko wekuna ta. Pacho and Pacho, uri loro Pacho, Ojoa, Pacho and Pacho, Lugi Geri Pacho, Pacho and Pacho, uri dagi Pacho, Pacho and Pacho, and a better Pacho. Hey, wano yamu Kumam, wano yamu Kumam, yeah. Wano yamu Kumam, wano yamu Kumam, yeah. I'm proud to be a Kumam. I'm so proud to be a Kumam. I'm proud to be Kamaido. Yes, I'm proud. I'm a Kumam, yeah. Dance Kumam music, yeah. Dance Kumam music, dance Kumam music, yeah. Maro Kamaido. Pachowa and Pachowa, Amaro Kumam, Kumam, Obeda Bilana, Amaro Kamaito, Belana. I love Kamaito, Eastern Uganda. I love Uganda, my motherland, my motherland. Ichemoga kilo dongo pachowa, Joano, Makuno, Ichingwa Tomon. Domestic violence, quiero me iyo, towe kuna 12. Corruption, jotelwa, oneno ni wangarek. Kupamako yot komwa, jotelwa, neno ni wangarek. Kupamaki somawa, jotelwa, neno ni wangarek. Wano maru, jotelawa, wano keno, jotelawa, wano chwau, pikonyowa. Big king of the mic, big up to the queen of the mic, Ruth, and all the one was staffs and fans. Bless everyone that promotes development in Kumam. Bless Jotelwa, we be Odokobot, Makite, Kalikitimo Gimoro, 2021, no more chance. New SC5, 2021, best. James Ojiji the great, yeah, you are the best. Manager Valentine Golden Studios, bless. Shine Kamaido 2021, me bless. Kuma music the best, yeah, we are the best.